Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, where you get soothing affirmations for every season of life. Welcome to new listeners. Welcome again to returning listeners. Be sure to join me next week as well for episode 400 of the Affirmation Pod podcast. So, hey, if you want to do something in honor of episode 400, then I invite you to leave a rating or a rating with a review for the podcast. And I know there's many of you who've already done that. So I invite you instead to share the podcast with someone who you know will benefit from listening. You can also share on social media. I just invite you as we enter the 400s of Affirmation Pod to give back in whatever way feels right for you. I'm also going to have a midweek episode, and I know I've talked about it before, but I want to give a sample of my new podcast and flash briefing called Your Morning Minute. So keep an eye out for that coming up on Wednesday. But for today, I have for you affirmations for self-confidence. Recently, many of you have shared how you've lost your confidence. You're trying to regain it, and it's frustrating because you really feel like you just can't move forward the way you did before. This episode is proudly sponsored by HelloFresh. At my house, picking HelloFresh meals has gotten easier than ever because my daughter loves the salmon. So it's basically 2 recipes will be salmon, and then I scroll through to choose the rest. HelloFresh gives me everything I need to get dinner on the table. That also means I save on meal planning, grocery store trips, and also food waste. The easy-to-follow recipes come with fresh, pre-measured ingredients. There is something for everyone, including quick and easy, family-friendly, vegetarian, pescatarian. I love the variety of veggies that we get. Again, pre-portioned so that there is no food waste. Everything's delivered in almost entirely recyclable content or already recycled material. Last year, HelloFresh donated over 4 million meals to charity, and they are stepping that up to help communities who are facing food insecurity. As an Affirmation Pod listener, you get this special offer. Go to hellofresh.com/affirmation16 and use code affirmation16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 free gifts. Come experience why HelloFresh is America's #1 meal kit. Go to hellofresh.com/affirmation16 and use code affirmation16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 free gifts. Thank you, HelloFresh, for sponsoring this episode today. And now here's affirmations for self-confidence. I like who I am. I value what I bring to the table. I believe in myself. I am uniquely skilled and equipped. I love my abilities. I can handle hard things. I believe in good things. I have the power to make a difference. I am confident. I am courageous. I am caring. I can speak thoughtfully. I can speak confidently. And I can speak carefully. I'm confident. I think clearly, and it shows. I like who I am, and it shows. I believe in my ability to succeed, and it shows. I'm able to try new things. I'm able to adjust and adapt. I'm able to pivot and restart. I believe in my ability to do great things. I can achieve. I can exceed. I can rise. I am confident in myself. I live with ease. I live my worth. I live with light. I believe in me. I have high self-esteem. And I live in self-confidence. That's affirmations for self-confidence. Again, be sure to tune in next week for episode 400 of the Affirmation Pod podcast. Again, please do celebrate by leaving a rating or a rating with a review. You can do that on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and some of the other podcast listening apps. You can also do it on the Apple or Google Play App Store if you're listening on the app. And if you've done those already, tell a friend, share on social media. I don't ask often for this, so if you would make that time today, I appreciate it so much. Now, if you know it's time to become a premium access member, especially because you'll get the whole catalog. This is hundreds of episodes of Affirmation Pod with no ads and no announcements. Plus, on top of that, bonus episodes that you won't hear on this podcast. Everything ad-free, everything announcement-free. Then take action and subscribe to become a premium access member by going to the Affirmation Pod app, which you can download at affirmationpodapp.com. That's affirmationpodapp.com and tap on premium access. You know, I have so many things to be grateful for as I leave the episode 300s and start the 400s. I truly, truly am thankful for you. I really didn't know much of what I was doing when I started Affirmation Pod, and now here we are, almost 9 years later. Thank you for being a part of this. Thank you for listening. Please remember, HelloFresh has a great offer for you. It's up to 16 free meals and 3 free gifts when you go to hellofresh.com/affirmation16 and use code affirmation16 for up to 16 free meals and 3 free gifts. Thank you so much for listening to Affirmation Pod today. Don't forget, coming up Wednesday is also a sample of my newest podcast, Your Morning Minute. So I will catch you then. Now go be you, know you, and love you. This is Josie with Affirmation Pod.